It's like vacuum. It just comes and.
ಪಿಸಿ ಪಿಸಿ ನಿನ್ ಕಾಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ఉండు వానికి భయం అవుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ నాది చూడని. ಕಮಾನ್ ಮೈ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ? ಕಾಲು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಕ್ಕೋ ಇಕ್ಕೋ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಿಶ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಫಿಶಸ್ ನೋಡು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಚ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಕೈ ಇಕ್ತೀನಿ. Sucking my fingers. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಶ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ? అట్నే చేతి సక్సెస్ ఉంది. పల్లీల ఎదుకు దగ్గర దీని దగ్గర ఇక్కడ కాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఎత్తాను. కాళ్ళ దగ్గర నా చేయొద్దు దగ్గర ఇక్కడ జూమ్ వేస్తాండవా? బాయ్ నించుకో. నా ఇట్టుకొని బార సూపర్ సూపర్. నేను ఫ్రెండ్స్ సూపర్. వైభవ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ స్ట్రాంగ్ బాయ్. దగ్గర వస్తే ఫిష్ అని ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಇಲ್ಸಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋ. ನಾನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡು. ಬಿಡು ಏನಲ್ಲ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋ. దగ్గర కొట్టి ఫిష్ నా చైనీ సూపి చేయి తలుస్తుందా? పెట్టా ఫిష్. அப்படியே ஜூம் எல்லாம் போட்டுடு. இப்போ கை வைக்கிற வருதா? ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಿಶು ನೋಡು. ಇವ್ರಿಗಿನ್ನ ಮಲೇಷ್ಯಾ ಗಿಲೇಷ್ಯಾ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕೇರಳನೇ ಇವ್ರು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಲರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಆರೆಂಜು ವೈಟು. ಬಾ ನೀನು ಕಾಲ್ ಕೊಡು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಾ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ನೀಲೇ ಇದೆ ಪಿಚ್ಚಿ. ಬರೀ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಕಲಿಯ వచ్చి కూర్చోవే. కూర్చో, నువ్వు దీని భయం దీనికి. ఎత్తుకో, ఫోన్ ఎత్తుకో. థ్యాంక్స్. Come on, fish, take the food. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನಾವಿರೋದು ಫಿಶಸ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಫಿಶ್, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಫುಡ್? ನೀನು ಕಾಲಿಕ್ಕು, ನಿನ್ನ ಕಾಲ ಹತ್ರ ಇಕ್ಕಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಕ್ಕೋ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಫಿಶ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ತಿಂತಾ ಇದೆ.
ನೀನು ಕಾಲನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಫಿಶ್ನ ತಿನ್ನ, ಇದನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು. Golden fishes, golden fishes. Show your face. Talato. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಫಿಶಸ್?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಪ್ಪ ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣು.
Come on fish, enjoy biryani. Enjoy the biryani.
Enjoy.
Go and enjoy here near Vaibhav's leg.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ತಿನ್ಲೆ.
ನಿನ್ leg ಹಾಕೋ.
ನನ್ನ ಲೆಗ್ ಹತ್ರ ತಿಂತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು. Come on, fishes.
Food. You like your food? Come on, eat. Oh, eat, Papa. Eat. Don't eat my daddy leg. Eat my leg. Eat. Good. Eat my leg.
Kick ಮಾಡು.
Kick. I will kick you one.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಿಶ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ನಿನ್ ಕಾಲ ಹತ್ರ? ಇನ್ನ ಬರ್ಲಿ.
ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಫಿಶ್ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಏನು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ. ನಿನ್ ಕಾಲ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ಸ್ಲಾ? ಕಾಲಿಕ್ಕೋ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ.
ಕಾಲಿಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕಾಲಿಕ್ಕು. ಟಿಕ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕು. ಅಪ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಝೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ?
ಕಾಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕು. ಆನಂತರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇವಾಗ eat one by one. Eat one by one. Eat one by one. One by. Eat one by. Eat one by. Eat one by one. I said one
ನೋಡು,
by one.
ಮುಖ ನೋಡು. ವಾವ್, ನೋಡಿ ಜಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ ಫಿಶನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಫಿಶ್ಗೆ ಊಟ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
I will kick you. Kick.
ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಶ್ ನನ್ನ ಲೆಗ್. Eat. Eat. Enjoy the food. Okay, enjoy.
పోలీస్ అవుతుందంట ఇది. పోలీస్ అలాంటివి కావాలా? అప్పుడు ఇట్ట మాదిరి అన్ని ముసలోళ్ళు వాళ్ళ దాంట్లోనే పో. చిన్న వయసులో ఇప్పుడు పోకుండా ఇప్పుడు ధైర్యం రాపించుకో. ఇప్పుడు వీడియో రెడీ అంటాడు. ఇప్పుడు తిప్పుతాడు గట్టిగా పట్టుకో. నీ పరుసు పోతుంది. తిప్పుతాడు. చూడక్కడ ముసలిది పరుసు పోతుంది. అక్కడ చూడు ఇంకా కొట్టు.
ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ತಿರ್ಗಲ್ಲ ನೀವ್ನಾ
ನಿಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನ ಎತ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬೋಟ್ ಅಟ್ನೇ ಆ ಬೋಟ್ನೇ ಈ ಬೋಟ್ ಹೋಗಿರೋ ಬೋಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ವೈಭವ್ ಭಯ ಬೀಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ನೀನು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ವೈಭವ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪನ ನಾನೇನೋ ಪೆತ್ತದೆ
సరే చాలు నాన్నకే విధా నేను ఎక్కడో పిలిచలే నీ రికార్డింగ్ వచ్చేస్తా నేను ఎనీ టైం వైభవ్ వైభవ్ ಕನ್ನಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಾಕಲು ಇದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್గా ತಾನೆ. ಏನು ಪೋಸು ಏನು ಪೋಸು ಏನು ಪೋಸು ಬಿಡು ಆಟದ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಬಿಡು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ನೋಡು ಬೊಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಬೇಳೆಕಾಯಿ ಬಜ್ಜಿ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಪಂಪಿಂಗ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಇನ್ನೂ 50 అంట 20 నిమిషం. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ. ಬೋಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದೆನೇ ಬರೋದು ಮೌಂಟೇನ್.
jar. After 10 days, we'll wash it properly. Dry it in the sunlight for 2 days, then we will roast it. After washing and roasting, the seeds will become like this.
Okay. Okay.
No, you can taste the nips.
Tino.
You can taste the nips. It's 100% chocolate. It's bitter, kadwa.
So this is a main fruit, right?
It's a cocoa fruit.
Cocoa fruit. From this second one is from this what will come?
We will get 30 seeds like this.
Okay.
Then we will ferment it, wash it, dry it, roast it.
Okay,
After
then?
roasting, like this. Then we will remove the shell. Inside the shell, we have the nips. The nips are chocolates, 100% chocolates.
Okay.
Then we will take this nips and grind it 8 hours continuously. After grinding, we'll extract the cocoa butter from it.
Cocoa butter.
And with this cocoa butter, we make the white chocolates by adding 42% of cocoa butter. Rest is milk and sugar.
Okay.
And also when we grind 8 hours continuously, before extracting the cocoa butter, the cocoa nips will be turned into a paste form, a liquid form. With that paste form, we'll make milk chocolates and dark chocolates.
Okay.
The normal milk chocolate is having 42% cocoa, 23% sugar, and 35% of milk solids. And the dark chocolate is having 80% cocoa and 20% stevia, organic sugar. It's good for diabetes, heart patients, blood sugar, they also can have it those. And we will wrap every chocolate here, so it will not get melt for 4 months without freeze. You can travel with chocolate no problem. You can taste the chocolate.
Give me that white chocolate, milk one. Yeah. Taga. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟು